AI tools you should use for your business. The landscape of global commerce has undergone a radical transformation as we navigate through the year 2026. We've moved far beyond the initial excitement of simple chatbots and entered an era of total cognitive integration. For any business owner or executive looking to maintain a competitive edge, the adoption of advanced artificial intelligence tools is no longer a strategic choice, but a fundamental necessity for survival. The speed at which information moves today requires a level of processing power that far exceeds the biological limitations of the human brain. We're witnessing the birth of the autonomous enterprise, where systems do not just suggest actions, but execute complex workflows with minimal oversight. To understand the tools you should be using, we must first look at how the nature of work itself is shifted toward a partnership between human creativity and machine efficiency. The first category of essential tools involves the evolution of large language models into what we now call general-purpose action agents. These systems are capable of understanding high-level business objectives and breaking them down into actionable steps across various software platforms. Instead of simply writing an email, these agents can research a prospective client, analyze their recent financial reports, and draft a personalized proposal that aligns with their current market position. You should be integrating tools that utilize agentic workflows to handle repetitive administrative tasks that once consumed 40% of your team's time. These agents function as digital employees that never sleep and constantly learn from every interaction they have within your corporate ecosystem. By offloading these routine processes, your human talent can focus on the high-level strategic thinking that truly drives innovation and growth. In the realm of content creation and brand management, the tools available in 2026 have reached a level of sophistication that was unimaginable only a few years ago. Generative video and multimodal design platforms now allow a single individual to produce high-quality cinematic advertisements that previously required a full production studio. These tools use deep learning to maintain brand consistency across every visual and auditory touchpoint of your business. You should be using platforms that allow for hyper-personalization, where every customer receives a unique video message or product demonstration tailored specifically to their preferences and browsing history. This level of engagement creates a profound sense of connection between the brand and the consumer, which leads to significantly higher conversion rates. The ability to generate thousands of variations of a single campaign in a matter of seconds allows for real-time testing and optimization that was once a logistical nightmare.
Data analysis has also been revolutionized by specialized artificial intelligence tools that provide predictive insights rather than just historical reports. In the past, businesses would look at what happened last month to guess what might happen next month. Today, you should be utilizing neural networks that ingest billions of data points from global markets, social trends, and internal metrics to forecast future demand with incredible accuracy. These tools allow you to optimize your supply chain by predicting shortages before they occur and adjusting your inventory levels automatically. The transition from reactive to proactive management is one of the most significant advantages that artificial intelligence offers to the modern business landscape. When you can see a market shift coming 3 months in advance, you can position your resources to capitalize on the opportunity while your competitors are still trying to understand what went wrong. Customer experience has become the primary battlefield for brand loyalty, and the tools you use in this department will define your reputation. We have moved beyond the era of frustrating automated menus and into the age of empathetic neural interfaces. These systems use natural language processing and sentiment analysis to understand the emotional state of a customer and respond with appropriate tone and urgency. You should be implementing tools that provide 24-hour support in every language spoken on the planet without losing the nuances of local culture. These systems can resolve complex technical issues by accessing your entire knowledge base in milliseconds and providing clear step-by-step instructions. The goal is to create a seamless journey where the customer feels heard and valued at every stage of their interaction with your company. The field of software development and internal infrastructure has also been transformed by artificial intelligence tools that write and debug code autonomously. Even if your business is not a technology company, you likely rely on a vast array of digital tools to operate. You should be using platforms that allow non-technical staff to build custom applications and automate internal workflows using simple voice commands. This democratization of technology allows every department to create the specific tools they need to be more productive without waiting for the information technology department to find an opening in their schedule. The speed of digital transformation is accelerated when the barriers to entry are removed and creativity becomes the only limiting factor. These tools also provide a layer of security by constantly monitoring your network for vulnerabilities and patching them before they can be exploited by malicious actors. We must also consider the role of artificial intelligence in strategic decision-making and corporate governance.
There are now platforms that act as a digital twin for your entire organization, allowing you to run simulations of different business strategies before implementing them in the real world. You can test the impact of a price increase, a new product launch, or a merger with another company within a virtual environment that mirrors current market conditions. This reduces the risk associated with major pivots and provides a data-driven foundation for the most important choices you will make. You should be using these simulation tools to explore what-if scenarios and prepare for various economic contingencies. The ability to fail in a simulation is much less expensive than failing in the marketplace, and the insights gained from these digital experiments are invaluable. As we look toward the future, the ethical implementation of these tools becomes a critical component of your business strategy. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of how their data is used, and they expect a high level of transparency and responsibility from the companies they support. You should be utilizing tools that prioritize data privacy and provide clear explanations for how artificial intelligence makes its decisions. The concept of explainable artificial intelligence is gaining traction as businesses realize that black box algorithms can lead to unintended biases and reputational damage. By choosing tools that are built on ethical frameworks, you build trust with your audience and ensure that your use of technology aligns with your corporate values. The human element remains the most important part of this equation because it provides the moral compass that machines currently lack. The integration of artificial intelligence into your business is not a one-time event, but a continuous process of adaptation and learning. The tools that are leading the market today will likely be replaced by even more powerful systems within a few years. You must foster a culture of curiosity and flexibility within your organization to ensure that your team is always ready to embrace the next wave of innovation. This involves providing ongoing training and resources so that your employees can work effectively alongside their digital counterparts. The most successful businesses of 2026 are those that view artificial intelligence as a partner that enhances human potential rather than a replacement for it. By leveraging the strengths of both biological and synthetic intelligence, you can create a powerhouse of productivity that is capable of solving the most complex challenges of our time. In conclusion, the tools you should be using for your business are those that provide a holistic approach to automation, personalization, and strategic insight. From autonomous action agents and generative content platforms to predictive analytics and empathetic customer interfaces, the options are vast and powerful.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell.